And finally, it is time to see how we can import our floor plan in our scene to start working with it. So, when you want to import a floor plan, you have a few options. One option is to take the DWG file from the AutoCAD and just drag and drop it inside here, but I wouldn't recommend this. What I would recommend is the following. I would recommend to take a plane right here, and on the top viewport, right here is the top viewport, go right here and click this to maximize it. You can click and drag your plane. Now this is the wireframe view. I will select the default shading together with edged faces, and I will remove right here on the modify panel all the extra segments. And right here I have a plane. Let's position it right on the center, just like that. And I will actually apply the floor plan on this surface so I can build on it. Now if you go on the lesson files, I have them open right here, and you go on the floor plan JPEG. If you click on properties, details, you can see the dimensions of our image, which is okay, and we will take these dimensions and we will apply them right here. Don't worry about this stuff, we will change it later. And now that our plane have exactly the dimensions our image has, we can just take this, drag it, and drop it on the plane. But actually we need to do the other way around. That's why it's not good. And our image is perfectly positioned, and there's no need to put a UVW map, which is another way to do this. Meaning that if this wasn't how it was supposed to be, you will go on the UVW map and you would select the bitmap fit, select the image, and this would take the right proportions. But no need to do this. So we go here, let's actually undo this, delete the UVW map, and yeah, and we are ready. Now let's bring this on the correct scale. Before doing so, what I want to do is I want to go on customize and go on unit setup, and instead of millimeters I will actually select this centimeters and click OK. And I actually know about this floor plan because there is no dimensions on here. I know that the walls here are 30 centimeters thick, so let's check. Of course it's not right, so we'll just go here, set 30 centimeters, just like that. I can press Alt and X to make it transparent. Let's get this up. Alt and X to make it transparent. And if I go right here and I go on hierarchy and select the effect pivot, I can position the pivot right here. Take this. I can also turn on the snap, but 2.5. Snap it right here. And now I will scale this until our wall matches the plane, which is 30 by 30, which are the correct dimensions. So scale it up, and right here we are okay. And just like that, we have our floor plan positioned and we are ready to start working.